Good evening guys, I'm sorry, I heard that the first video had no volume, so I'm very sorry on that. So yeah guys, before we go anyway, before we even touch tea time, this is the catalog for Easter, because I know some of you guys are home and not at work, so this is the time to study your books. As you can see, there's the UK Fortnite book, Make a Million, France Lotto, and then the Ghost Lotto. Ghost Lotto is 749. So all these 4 books is only 300 rand, which is fair to everyone. Because if you have to buy one book for 200, it's not fair, but at least I'm giving you a combo of 4. Which means I just discounted all the books, which means it's 60 rand. But I don't sell these books for 60 rand. I mean, like, when you check the special, you'll find out that it's cheaper to buy the combo than to buy one. Okay, so guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make the red cord and the blue cord. So let me say how to make red cord. I know you've been waiting for this, and blue cord. So this is gonna be a longer video, because I need everyone to understand what is a blue cord, what is a red cord. It's unfortunate that I don't have those cords I was going to show you, but it's fine. Anyway, so the catalog is here for the books. So I'm going to remove this chart now, delete that one, already you've seen. So you're going to go to the the link if you need to buy the book. Okay, so let's go to previous results. I'm gonna start with a red cord. Okay, so this is how you make a red cord. You take previous results. This strategy is there in the book. I did put it as well. You see all these results for yesterday. That's how you make a red cord. So watch very carefully what I'm going to be doing there on the calculator. Let's do this. We go to the calculator, then we say, then we start with 6, 13 plus 20 plus 28 plus 41, 47 plus 12. So altogether it comes to 167, as you can see. So the first code that we have is 167. So this is what you do. Once you have 167, you write it down as 167. Then you come now to what? Let's put it on the numeric order. You come to the tea time now. You add all these numbers, all 7 numbers. You don't exclude anything. So let's go. We're going to say 15 plus 30, 15 plus 30 plus 31 plus 40 plus 43 plus 46. We get what? Hey, what is the bonus? Plus 49. You get 254. If you guys have got red codes somewhere, you can go and check. So now we are having 167 and what? 254. So now we're going to add up everything. 167 plus 254. This is what we get. Let's see. So we say 254 plus 167. We get 421. How to make the red code. So this is the red code. So the red code that we have for today, for lunch, was 167 and 254 and 421. So this is how you make a red code. Normally on a red code, before we used to use the red code, we just used to add and subtract the numbers. For example, you see the 17 is there. Some people, they still believe in using the red code, but anyway, the system went to an advanced standard that you need to, you need to understand everything in a different sport. But this is how you make the red code. Sorry. So now we are doing the blue code for tea time. Just need to teach you these things, guys. So the blue code for tea time, this is how you do it. You start by adding these 6 numbers. Let's see what you get when you add those 6 numbers. So we go to the calculator. We now say 15 plus 30 plus 31 plus 40 plus 43 plus 46. We get 205. We write down the 205. Then we say plus bonus. The bonus was 49. We get 254. Then now we're going to add up 254 plus what? 205. We get 459. I hope guys I'm clear here. So today I'm teaching you the blue codes. So this is what you do. Okay, let's cancel the calculator. We go back here now. So our blue code is 205, 254, 459. So now we are having a blue code. You know, it is an advantage for you to know all these strategies because you will know exactly what is happening. For example, can you see this blue code? It's got a 25 there. For example, the blue code has got a what? 25. It's got a 25 there. At the bottom there's a 45, there's a 49. But normally this is not how you break the blue code. The blue code, this is how you break it. You say 20 plus 5, you get a 25. 20 minus 5, you get a 15. We used to break the blue code this way. Sometimes Gina used to take 25, 20, like 25, 25, 25, 15. Trust me, the blue code, before we used to use it, it was actually giving us 3 numbers almost every day. So now UK49, I don't know how they spotted it. Then they tried to change the system. But even though they're changing, we're still knowing the strategies. So I decided to take you to grade 1 from the blue code so you guys can understand exactly when I say buy the book, I know what I mean. Okay, then now we're not yet done. If you check here, there was a 45. Someone was shouting outside, so it's 45 plus 9. Actually, we can't do that way. We're going to say 45 minus 9, which will give us, I think, a 46. Let me see. Should be a 46. Yes, we get a 46. So with Gina in a blue code like this, if she got a 46, she will subtract 46 minus 1, 46 plus 1, which gives us a 47, and there it gives us a what? A 45. Normally it's Gina was doing like this, but the other guys, I don't know. So guys, now we are having a shopping, which is what? 25. I'll clear. Then now I'm going to go and apply my own strategy, the one that I normally use, and you guys, you forget about it. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the home figures of these numbers. Home figure of 20 is 2. Home figure of 26 is an 8. Home figure of 10 is a 1. Home figure of 35 is a 7. Home figure of 17 is an 8. Home figure of 7 is a 45. Home figure of 11 is a 2. So which means a 2, 8, 45 is a good number. Can I just say 2, 8, 45 is a good number? Then I now come here from these numbers. I always do this on a daily basis. 26 plus 35 plus formula 55. I don't know what I get. Let me go and check. 26 plus 35. So we go here. We say to the calculator. 26 plus, is it 35? 35. Let me check. 35, yes. 35 plus 55. We get 116, which means 116 is going to be a powerful number. So either way than using the red code, I'm going to put this 116 is the last code that we have. So I'm going to say 116. Actually, I have to remove this line because it's not accurate now. So today, guys, you learned about the blue codes, you learned about the red code. Then now, as I've said, the banker was 25. At the bottom it says 16, 11, 17. Do you see that? And then the other number that I have is a 12. And then I've got the 45 from the home figures, and then 8 and a 2. So these are the numbers that you can play on what? On tea time. Both lunch and what do you call drive? Both tea and drive, I mean. Yes, so guys, please, this is what it is. Study your books. Take your time. Don't rush. Don't panic. Even if you don't have a voucher, just study from your book, and then you're going to be a superhero. Trust me. You won't go wrong. Thank you very much.